Guys, today we're playing Texas Chainsaw Massacre online. Oh my god, these guys talk too much. It's like, it's random people, so just need to check where people are. I have to get the victims. So let's just find the victims and let's just get straight. Okay, where are the victims? So we need to find where the victims are. I can't fit through these small gaps though, so it makes it harder. I'm going to restart my chainsaw. One second. For some reason, my camera kept focusing where I had to move back. Oh, where are these? Okay, so they have to escape through this door. Well, they don't have to escape through that door. I can't get through them small gaps, but like, I can put my chainsaw through them. Like, I can do this. There's someone in there. Someone's down there. Someone's down there. Yes. Oh, flip off. They have to go in the other side where I've just been. I really wanted to get into like a dead end. I've killed her. Alright, I need to get these guys now because they were really annoying. Right, where was this guy? Oh, I can see someone. I can flip and see someone. This guy's dead. I need to follow him wherever he goes. Alright, he's dead. Alright, I've just killed another person. Have they found a way out yet? Cause I don't know if they have. Because if them two haven't, then I don't, it's most likely not. Oh yeah. Oh, I thought that was a flipping person. This one's part of the family. He's a person, he's an actual guy. So I've already got 2 people. Let me just get my thingy. Stamina. Can't see anybody right now. Someone's been in here, so. I haven't actually said that anybody's escaped from basement yet, so. have to be here somewhere. Come on. Let me just search over here. I need to check all the entrance exits. Just in case like someone's got. I hate these little gaps. I wonder if someone's hiding in one of these. Let's check. No, we have nobody in hiding. Is my camera gone blurry then? No, it hasn't. It's just that it got dark. Oh, I just need to zoom in a little bit. I'm just gonna zoom in so you guys can see it. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that. Okay, I don't think anybody would be hiding though. Let me check that, just in case. Flip. They've already got it out. So one person's got down, me to hunt down the final victim, which makes us stronger because we're gonna. Oh, they got out here. Flip. How did I not notice? Where are they? Oh my. But oh, flip. Okay, I need to get to the exit quick. Flip me. How have they got out without me even noticing? Wait, how did they actually get out? Oh yeah, I played this in museum mode. I lost my stamina. It's down there, innit? I don't like these. I need to get this last person. I also need to shut her. I just don't know where they are. I just need to get my chainsaw back up. can't really escape anywhere. Because if I block this, because you usually focus on blocking all these and making sure they don't get out. Okay, so blocked that. Where does this go? I need to turn this off. Just follow the wire. Alright, they ain't gonna be able to get out. So now my pressure gate back on. Good job for surviving this long, whoever it is though. Because he ain't gonna get out with me searching this area. And that takes ages. I need to cut off this as well. There we go. Okay. I need to search the grass actually. Oh, they're here. Yes. I've got them. Right, we've got the last person. We have won the game, guys. Only one person escaped. Let's go. This is our victory dance, I think. I don't even know.